Hey everybody, welcome back to Tutor Terrific. Today I'm going to do a simple video telling you how to remove and install your SIM card on your older iPhone. This will be compatible with iPhone 8, 7, 6, 5, etc. varieties, not necessarily proven to work with the iPhone X or iPhone 11. But here I have an iPhone 6S, and you can see the older home button design. I'm going to tell you how to remove the SIM card first. Now, you have to find the slot, and if you have a case on the phone, you're not going to be able to see the slot, so first things first, remove the case. I have a simple slide-on case. You might have something a little more complicated to remove, but now we have that phone without the case on it. And now we are going to locate the SIM card slot, which is on the side, right past the lock button down the phone on the side. You can see there's a little hole in that slot. We're going to insert something in there, but you don't just want to insert any old thing. Definitely invest in one of these. A simple kit, you can get these on Amazon. This will totally allow you to the inside of your phone. A bunch of different screws here to take the screen off, etc. Remove some of the clips for the different parts of the circuitry. But what you really want is what I've already taken out of the bag. This guy right here. This in this kit was attached to the suction cup for the screen, and this little bit right here is what's going to be inserted. Now what I did is I actually cut off the edge of it. It's actually a lot longer than that, but it often breaks and you don't need it. You really just need that tip, especially if it's sharp after it's been cut, and it works really well. I will show you. We're going to take this and we're going to insert it in that hole, and we're going to pull out the SIM card slot. Just like that. Now, the SIM card is very small. Of course, it pops right out. I'm not going to show you the numbers on it, but it's got that screen on the back. That chip is what goes face down into the slot, and the other side with the numbers goes face up. Now, you definitely want to do this, number one, when you are transferring your SIM card from one phone to the next, if you upgrade on your own, or if your phone gets wet. These older iPhone 6, 5, 4, etc. with their various jacks are not waterproof to any depth for any amount of time, so you're going to definitely not put it in rice. Don't do that. That doesn't work. Take the SIM card out and put it in a nice dry area, and that will help protect your phone from water damaging components. It allows water to get out and evaporate. That's a big hole you create. Alright, now to insert the SIM card, or whatever SIM card you have, back in your iPhone 5, 6, 7, or 8, etc. Now, you take the slot like this, and you make sure that this side is facing up. It has less of a groove in it. This side goes face down. This side goes face up. You see the corner there? Trying to get to focus there. See that little corner at the top right? That's where you want the corner of your SIM card that's kind of cut. And we place that number side up like this. And if it's right in that hole, like so, then we take our phone and we slide the SIM card and the slot right in like this. Just the way you took it out. There's nothing you need to tighten or anything like that. It goes in perfectly and stays in place, and your phone is ready for use. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. This is Falconator, signing out.